Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I've got another real special one for you today. So if anyone remembers, a few months back I started a mini series called Cactus Cook-Ups, where I travel to different cities, different countries, and basically cook up with other producers. The first episode was in Strasbourg, France with my guy Solka, and now in today's episode I'm heading over to Brussels in Belgium to meet with the one and only Chuki Beats. So everyone should know who Chuki is by now, he doesn't need an introduction, but yeah, he's invited me to a studio session. I think Young Mabu's gonna be pulling up, I think Sky might be pulling up too, so yeah, it should be a sick day. I just need to have some breakfast real quick, finish packing a few things, and then I'm heading to the airport. I'll drop my things off at the hotel in Brussels and then go straight to Chuki's studio. So let's get into it. So just got to the hotel in Brussels. The airport was like over an hour away from here, and I know Chuki's already at the studio. Young Mavu couldn't make it, but I think Scanner's gonna pull up and another artist that Chuki's working with. So yeah, I just need to quickly freshen up and then I'm gonna head straight to Chuki.
You made it.
I think finally, man. It took so long to get here. I thought I was going to be here in about 2 hours.
No worries, bro. No.
What is it?
My artist friend.
Yeah, bro. Good to see you, man.
Yeah, bro.
You all good, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Bro, the studio's looking real nice.
Thanks. Yeah, I
nice.
put the couch here.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I don't know, so it feels more like we're all together working on this.
Yeah, I like it.
Before I had the couch there and it was like, you know, it's different.
Yeah, I feel ya.
So I prefer it now. It's nice.
More cozy.
I just want to say what's up to all the... Do you have a name for your audience?
I need to think of one. I was thinking the pricks.
The pricks. What's up, pricks? Y'all good? Hope you're doing good. Today we're here in Brussels, man. Let's get it. Wow. We cooked up this loop, me and Skana. It's nice.
Crazy what a different vibe you can get just by turning it up like one semitone, you know. Pressing all the wrong shortcuts.
You need a mouse.
I know. Do you have a mouse?
Yeah. I got one.
That might be better, you know.
Yeah, I got one. No problem.
You still need to get used to that.
Yeah, I need to get used to it.
You
different speakers, and then all the kicks sound different.
Yeah,
that doesn't sound like it used to.
Like,
it doesn't really need like a lot more to it, does it?
Nah,
it's just like
change the 808 now.
I'll do like a second 808 pattern then, because they usually do that for drill beats. I'll have like,
I like it.
Yeah man, that one was hard.
It's
definitely
crazy,
feeling
man.
that. Yeah, it's like a weird vibe. It's like chilled but also fast. It's weird.
Yeah, I love it, man.
When you're thinking of guitar melodies, like actually playing it, what's going through your mind? Are you thinking like, alright, I know these chord progressions, so I'm gonna play this chord progression, or are you just like playing like notes until you find a melody that you like?
Really depends. Like, I would do both of them, but most of the time I'm like, I'll be at the house and like already playing with some chord progressions. So like now I have a couple that I'm thinking like, oh yeah, I want to do something with that, but then what's the best way to play it?
I like that. Alright, so we just finished the first beat. Right now Chucky's about to record a melody in with his guitar, and then I don't know what genre we're gonna go for, I don't know what kind of drums we're gonna add, but yeah, we'll see what happens.
Let's get it. This?
That second note, yeah, did go up a bit. Why don't we try like a hybrid thing? We could have like either the hook or the verse drill, for example, and then it could change into like trap.
Yeah, let's go.
Because then we can have like a bit of everyone's style as well.
Yeah.
what I had in my head was we'll start off with like a drill bit and then it can kind of just flip into whatever you want to make, you know. Yeah, just do anything. Even if you want to make the pattern unique, change BPM, like whatever you want.
I'll just try and do some drill trap.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it, unless you think of any changes.
Nah, it's alright.
Yeah. We've been working on that one for a while.
Yeah, but I
feel like come back with fresh mind and then we might hear something. Alright, so we just finished cooking up the second beat. It's getting kind of late. It's like 1 in the morning right now, so I'm gonna head back to the hotel. I might be passing through again tomorrow for one of Chucky's videos.
Who knows?
Who knows? But yo, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.